How's it going, guys? Welcome back. And some of you guys have been asking whether or not NordVPN works with Amazon Firestick. So we're going to be talking about that today. Before we begin, if you guys are interested in NordVPN, you'll find links to special deals and discounts in the description down below, as well as a full review if you'd like to learn more about the VPN. Okay, so as you may know, the Amazon Firestick will turn your TV into a smart TV if you have a regular TV. But with many of the apps available through the Amazon Firestick, there are geographical restrictions on what content you can access, unfortunately. For example, if you're outside the United States, you won't be able to access Hulu and quite a lot of content from other streaming services, such as HBO, Netflix, Disney Plus, and other services, for example, that are only available in the UK, such as BBC iPlayer. Therefore, no matter where you are in the world, you're likely to be missing out on some content due to geo-blocking. However, you can easily get around these blocks by using a VPN. Now, a VPN service should never be used to bypass copyright regulations. I don't promote, condone, or endorse the use of the service for such purposes. So, of course, Amazon Fire TV being a device, you can actually download applications onto it. So here, you can take a look. I'm going to go ahead and look up Nord just to show you guys that it is definitely compatible. There's a native application of NordVPN, and you can go ahead and download it onto your device. And once you download it onto your device, you'll be able to, well, just access whatever server you're looking for. So let's say you're trying to unblock HBO Max. All you have to do is look for the United States server, click it, access it, and you'll be able to get access to HBO Max. It really is as simple as that. So again, on your Amazon Fire Stick, go to your search icon on the home screen of your Fire Stick and type in NordVPN to find the application. Similar to what I did here on the store. Install a VPN on your Fire Stick and connect to a server in your target country, and that's pretty much it. Now, NordVPN is not the only service that has a native application for Amazon Fire Stick. Of course, you'll be able to get access to Express. Let me just show you guys, just to prove it. ExpressVPN. Just put VPN. There it is. And of course, Surfshark is another great option, by the way. There we go. So, of course, let me just bring them over. Move this right here. Here's ExpressVPN and Surfshark. So in case NordVPN may not be, let's say, an option that you like for whatever reason. Maybe it's not your cup of tea. Maybe the pricing is a little bit off, so you want something cheaper like Surfshark, or maybe you think it doesn't unblock enough services, so you can just go with ExpressVPN, the premium service, of course, that also comes with a premium price. Another thing that's a little bit unfortunate with a NordVPN is that it's no longer able to unblock the United States library, Netflix library. So if you're looking for something that's much more consistent with Netflix, you're going to have to go with either ExpressVPN or Surfshark, especially if you're looking to unblock United States Netflix. So yeah, well, now starting with ExpressVPN, just to give you guys a little bit of a brief, ExpressVPN has over 3,000 servers in 94 countries, which is a huge amount of countries, very wide coverage that'll give you the ability to unblock a whole bunch of streaming services, from some of the most obscure ones all the way to the most popular ones. You're able to secure up to 5 simultaneous connections per subscription. And of course, you have the basic security features such as the kill switch, which is called network lock here, which will stop your internet traffic when the VPN disconnects unexpectedly, and split tunneling, which will let you choose which applications are routed through the VPN tunnel and which are not, hence the name split tunneling. So what you can do is, of course, for example, just route your torrenting client and have everything, the rest of your network, intact and untouched by the VPN, while only your torrenting client is affected by the VPN. That's something you can do. And of course, you've got a handful of protocols. You can definitely use automatic and that'll work just fine. But me personally, I prefer to use the lightweight UDP protocol. It is the best performing protocol as far as I'm concerned, from my experience at least. You can let me know what you think in the description down below if you have a different kind of experience. And using Netflix as a reference, ExpressVPN is able to unblock up to 18 Netflix libraries, 10 with Nord and 15 with Surfshark. And now with Nord, we have over 5,200 servers in 60 countries. So that's 34 less countries than ExpressVPN, even though we've got more servers here. And that can come in handy, by the way. Sometimes, let's say if you're trying to unblock the UK library, what you can do is list the servers here. And if one of them doesn't work, you have plenty of servers to just keep trying, trial and error. One of them is bound to work. So, from my experience, when you switch, just making a couple of switches usually does the job. You don't really have to make 20, 30 switches between servers in order to make it work. So yeah, don't worry there. You have plenty of servers to try it out with. But unfortunately for the United States, Netflix libraries is just not able to do it at the moment. They are fixing it. They're working on it. But at the moment, it's just pretty difficult for most VPNs to unblock US Netflix specifically, and just Netflix in general has been cracking down very heavily on VPN traffic. These are the only 3 VPNs, honestly, that have been doing their best to really keep up with the Netflix blocks. It's been very difficult though, so just bear with them if at times you may find that some servers are not giving you access to some libraries. So honestly, what happens usually with ExpressVPN, and this happened twice. So there was one time I was not able to access the American library, and another time when I wasn't able to access the Japanese library with ExpressVPN. And to compensate me for my inconvenience, what they did is that each one of those times when the server did not work and it didn't give me access to the desired Netflix library, they gave me 2 extra weeks. So in the past month, they gave me just a free month to compensate me. So it's really cool of ExpressVPN to do that. And that really shows their top quality customer service. They really do have some of the best, if not the best, customer service I've ever experienced. So yeah, just to continue about NordVPN. NordVPN will allow you to secure up to 6 simultaneous devices per subscription, unlike ExpressVPN's 5. Of course, you'll get a few extra features such as specialty servers here. You'll also get NordLynx protocol, which is the best performing protocol, which makes also NordLynx the fastest VPN in the business today. Though just keep in mind, it is only about 3 to 5% faster than ExpressVPN, even though lightweight UDP is not a WireGuard protocol. So very impressive speeds with ExpressVPN, despite it being slightly slower than NordVPN. Not only do you get a conventional kill switch, but also an app kill switch, which will terminate selected applications when you disconnect a VPN rather than terminating the entire connection with the conventional kill switch. You got split tunneling, custom DNS, and obfuscated servers in case you're in a censorship-heavy country. What else are you getting, by the way? You're getting, by the way, just so that you guys know, when you pick NordLynx, dedicated IP and double VPN will disappear because you can't access them while in NordLynx, while using NordLynx. So keep that in mind, just if you guys are wondering why these 2 specialty servers disappeared. Now, speaking of double VPN and static IP or dedicated IP, you still get those with Surfshark. You also get, of course, split tunneling, the kill switch, and ad blocker, as well as the WireGuard protocol here, which is definitely the best performing protocol, and you should be using it at all times. You're getting a handful of protocols, as well as the Shadow Socks protocol, which will help you reach banned websites in case you're in a censorship-heavy country. And if you're, of course, in a censorship-heavy country that has censorship firewalls, such as China, Turkey, the UAE, this will help you. No Borders Mode will help you bypass such firewalls. Of course, if you noticed with ExpressVPN, we don't have such options. Well, that's because the proprietary obfuscation of ExpressVPN makes it work in every country, no matter your location. You don't have to toggle anything on and off. And of course, that's part of the convenience of having a premium VPN such as ExpressVPN. You don't really have to configure it to make it work no matter your location. So yeah, that's a little bit of justification for the pricing there. But besides that, whatever you're looking for, they're all available in the Amazon Firestick store, and you'll be able to unblock streaming services for sure. But then again, just keep in mind, if you're looking to access US Netflix, go with either Express or Surfshark. They both work wonders when it comes to unblocking Netflix services, especially Surfshark, considering the pricing. And then NordVPN will give you access to all other streaming services. It's just not that reliable with US Netflix and a few libraries here and there. But then again, this is an inevitable cat and mouse game with Netflix and VPN providers. So bear with the VPN providers as they work around the clock with their engineers to give you access to these streaming services. Besides that, all of their plans, by the way, all Express, Nord, and Surfshark, all these VPNs do have a 30-day money-back guarantee on all their plans, as well as a 24/7 live chat support, and all of their support is very helpful. I've been testing their patience for a while, and they have been very patient, very knowledgeable, very helpful. And as I told you, ExpressVPN even gave me 2 weeks for free on 2 occasions, so that's a month in total. Speaks volumes about ExpressVPN's high tier customer service here. Of course, you'll also find reviews in the description down below, as well as links to pricing and discounts. So feel free to use these discounts while they last. You'll be able to save yourself some cash. So that'll be it for this video. Thank you guys very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.